everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day today. My name is Emma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a graphic liner tutorial for you. I'll put my inspo on the screen, so this is the look that I'm going to be recreating today. If you're interested in how I create the look, then please continue watching. Okay, so I have zoomed you guys in. I've also done my eyebrows, so I've used the Be Perfect Indestructible Brow Soap and then the Beauty Bay Brow Fixer and Eyebrow Pencil. So eyebrows are all done. I've also carved them out with concealer and just put concealer all over my lid and set it because I'm going to go in with some of my water activated liners. So the first one we're going to use is Space Panda from Suva Beauty. So it is just a white aqua liner, and I'm going to be using the Peaches and Cream PC45 brush, and I'm just going to create that kind of, it's not really a cut crease, but the shape of the graphic liner, and then we're going to go in with all the details and everything. Okay, so now that we have that white liner done, I'm going to go in with the blue for the squares. Now, I don't actually have the exact shade that she used because it was quite like a dark blue, but I'm going to go in with Freezy from Suva Beauty, so it's a bit more kind of like a teal shade, and I'm going to use the Suva 650 brush, which is another really thin brush, and just going to go in with this liner to kind of create the checkered pattern. Okay, so the checkers are now done on both eyes, and now we've just got to add the pastel liner underneath this like checkered liner. So I'm going to go in with the Suva Beauty UV Taffies palette, which is this Pastels palette here, and it goes from yellow to green to blue, purple, pink, then orange. So they have all of the shades here apart from the orange, so I think I'm going to try and mix these two shades, the pink and the yellow, to create like a pastel orange shade. If not, I'm probably going to go in with another one of my hydro liners, but I'll let you know what shades I end up using at the end. But yeah, I'm going to go in with another thin Suva Beauty brush. Now this is the brush that actually came with this palette, so it doesn't have a number on it, but again, a really thin little brush, and I'm going to go in and add all of those pastel shades underneath the white and checkered liner. Okay, so now that we have all of the graphic liner done, and I did just mix the yellow and the pink to create that little bit of orange liner there, so now we have finished kind of the main part of the eyes. I'm going to do all of my face makeup off camera, and we'll be back and we're going to zoom out to finish up this look. But I am just going to pop in my Waterline, the P. Louise Crisp Finish Paint in Sexy Chili, and it's kind of the same shade as what we used for the checkers. So I'm going to pop this in my Waterline and we'll be back to do the final little touches. Okay, we are back and I have finished all of my face makeup, and I've also put on the NYX Shine Loud lip gloss in the shade Ambition Statement. I believe that's what it's called. I really love this gloss, by the way. And now I'm going to pop on some lashes, of course, from Unicorn Cosmetics, and I'm going to use the Eternal lashes. They're really nice and fluffy, so I'll just pop these on and we'll be back. Okay, and there we have it. Here is the finished look. As always, I will put a close video at the end so you guys can see it properly. But I just want to thank you for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you recreate it, please make sure to tag me, but also the original artist as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. As always, please make sure that you like, subscribe and comment, and also check out my Instagram at EmmaFordXO, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.